மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அக்கௌண்டிங் டெஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். இதுக்கான ஆன்சர் வீடியோவோட எண்டில் இருக்குது. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1, விச் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோயிங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் கரெக்ட்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ, புக் கீப்பிங் இஸ் வெரி ஓல்டு. ஆப்ஷன் பி, த ஒர்க் ஆஃப் புக் கீப்பிங் இஸ் யூஸ்வலி entrusted to junior employees. Option C, functions of the bookkeeping is performed by the bookkeeper. Option D, all of the above. Question number 2, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and event which are of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. This definition is dash. Option A, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Option B, J. Petty. Option C, Gustenberg. Option D, none of the. Question number 3, accounting principles are divided into 2 types. These are dash. Option A, accounting concept. Option B, accounting conventions. Option C, accounting standard. Option D, A and B, accounting concept and accounting conventions. Question number 4, accounting is a language of dash. Option A, business. Option B, books of accounts. Option C, accountant. Option D, none of these. Question number 5, which of the following equation is related with 12 aspect concept? Option A, total asset equal to total liabilities. Option B, total assets equal to capital plus outsider liabilities. Option C, capital equal to total assets minus outsider liabilities. Option D, all of these above. Question number 6, ascertain A, accounting is a continuous process in any business undertaking. Reason or this is on accounting period concept. Option A, ascertain A is true. Option B, reason R is true. C, A and R is true. Option D, neither A nor R is true. Question number 7, which expenses is a capital nature? Option A, depreciation. Option B, wages. Option C, salary. Option D, stationery. Question number 8, profit from sale of assets is example for option A, revenue profit. Option B, capital profit. Option C, loss. Option D, none of these. Question number 9, dividend can be declared from dash. Option A, revenue profit. Option B, capital profit. Option C, secret reserve. Option D, all of these. Question number 10, the term of current assets does not include option A, debtors. Option B, bills receivable. Option C, stock. Option D, goodwill. Question number 11, the term fixed assets does not include dash. Option A, plant. Option B, furniture. Option C, prepaid expenses. Option D, land and building. Question number 12, if the total assets of a company amount to rupees 1,50,000 and owner's equity is rupees 70,000, The amount of liabilities will be dash. Option A rupees 70,000. Option B rupees 80,000. Option C rupees 90,000. Option D rupees 1 lakh. Question number 13. Balance sheet is a statement of dash. Option A assets. Option B liabilities. Option C capital. Option D all of these. Question number 14. Amount receivable by a company against credit sales are usually called dash. Option A sundry debtors. Option B bills receivable. Option C creditors. Option D bills payable. Question number 15. Owner's equity would be understood as comprising dash and dash. Option A contributed capital. Option B retained earnings. Option C liabilities. Option D A and B. Question number 16. In case of joint stock company, financial statement refers to dash. Option A balance sheet. Option B trial balance and profit and loss account. Option C profit and loss account. Option D balance sheet, P&L account and P&L appropriation account. Question number 17. Which of the following statement is true? Option A. The statement disclosing status of investment is known as balance sheet. Option B. The statement showing the result is known as profit and loss account. Option C. The preparation of the financial statement is responsibility of top management. Option D. The balance sheet comprises of a list of assets, liabilities and capital as given date. Option E. All of these above. Question number 18. Which of the following importance is provided by balance sheet? Option A. It gives a concise summary of the concerns, reserves and liabilities and owner's equity. Option B. It is a measure of the firm liquidity. Option C. It is a measure of a firm solvency. Option D. All of these above. Question number 19. Which one of the following is not an example of intangible asset? Option A. Patent and trademark. Option B. Copyright. Option C. Slogan. Option D. Land. Question number 20. Cost of intangible fixed assets are dash over their useful lives. Option A. Depreciated. Option B. Amortized. Option C. Charged. Option D. Allocated. Answer. Question number 1. Option D. All of these above. Question number 2. A. American Institute of Certificate Public Accountants. Question number 3. Option D. A and B. Question number 4. A business. Question number 5. Option D. All of these above. Question number 6. Option C. A and R. Question number 7. Depreciation. Question number 8. Option B. Capital profit. Question number 9. A. Revenue profit. Question number 10. Option D. Goodwill. Question number 11. Option C. Prepaid expenses. Question number 12. Option B. Rupees 80,000. Question number 13. Option D. All of these. Question number 14. Option A. Sundry debtor. Question number 15. Option D. A and B. Question number 16. Balance sheet and profit and loss account and P&L appropriation account. Question number 17. Option E. All of these. Question number 18. Option D. All of these. Question number 19. Option D. Land. Question number 20. Option B. Amortized.